Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have another funny English story. Listen carefully, learn new words, enjoy the story. Let's begin!
Have you ever taken the wrong bus? Sometimes a small mistake becomes a big adventure. Today's story is called, I Got on the Wrong Bus.
Last spring, I visited a beautiful city for the first time. The architecture is amazing. And look at all these colorful flowers. The streets were busy. The buildings were very tall. I thanked her. Then I walked to the bus stop.
Take bus number 15. It stops right in front of the museum.
Good morning.
It was very comfortable. Moving.
I looked outside.
Everything looked beautiful. Coffee shops, bookstores, and beautiful parks. Now I saw green fields.
Whoa, look at that red barn! And a windmill!
And I whispered, "Where is the museum?" I looked outside again. Now I saw cows. Big brown cows.
I started laughing. Ha! Look at that chicken!
Quite the little adventurer. Whoa, cows hanging like paintings? That's so weird.
Science Museum? You wanted bus 15, but this is bus 51.
What? Oh no, I got on the wrong bus!
What? Oh no. I got on the wrong bus.
She looked at my ticket. Then she smiled. I looked at Mia. Then I looked outside. Oh no. I am very far from the city.
Don't worry. It happens all the time.
Really? I'm not the first person?
Not even close.
Well, hello there. I think I can help. Mr. David came to me. He opened a city map.
Thank you, Mr. David.
This is where we are. And this is your museum. Oh, now I understand.
Oh, that happens a lot.
Thank you, Grandma Rose. I'll be back soon.
stop. The bus stopped. Alex! This time, I checked the bus number very carefully. Number 15.
Yes! This was the correct bus.
Arrived at the City Science Museum. Wow, this place is amazing! The museum was wonderful. But my favorite part was the village, especially the bakery.
Sometimes a wrong turn leads to a beautiful adventure.
Thank you for listening. What lesson did Alex learn today? Write your answer in the comments. See you next time.